Are you going to win in your life insurance business in 2025 doing the same old thing? You're not. Let's talk about what you can do differently to win with us.
Your favorite agency owner and national sales director of Fusion Insurance Group, powered by none other than Senior Life Insurance Company. So I wanted to come to you. Listen, what are you going to do differently this year? I know that last year, many of us, we all do it. We set our goals and we either hit the goal, we miss the mark, or we come somewhere close. Either way, we learn or we earn. None of it's failure. You know, a lot of times we think, well, if I didn't hit my goal, then I failed, right? But failure is a part of success. Failure is a part of growth. Failure, if you don't fail, if you don't fall on the field, if you don't pass out on the field, if you don't cry, if there's no blood, sweat, and tears, and I mean emotionally, are you really even in business? If you've never lost money, if you've never wanted to quit, if you've quit every other day in your mind and sometimes physically, then you've really been on the gridiron. You've been in the game. And so what's going to be different in 2025 in your life insurance agency business? What's going to be different for you? What's going to be different for your agents? I can tell you what's going to be different for me. I'm powered by Senior Life Insurance Company. And I think that we have the best thing going in the whole industry. We are radically changing the industry. We're helping agents make more money. We're helping agents build and grow a consistent business. We're helping agents change their financial situation. More importantly, we're blessing our clients with an incredible product, with a quality product that is going to be there when their family needs it on the worst day of their lives. But I'm talking to you, my fellow insurance agent. What are you going to do differently this year? Are you still going to work the field? Are you going to stay in the field? Are you still going to work mailers? Are you still going to work telemarketing leads? Or are you interested in actually getting in the game, competing on the highest level? Come on, we're doing live transfer TV leads. We've got free leads here at Senior Life Insurance Company. Like, no one is competing with that. It's game changing. We're disrupting the industry. And so I want to read some things to you. So, because I want to just prove to you why you want to think about your business plan. It's not too late. Even though this is the first day of 2025, this is the first day of the rest of your life. I know it's a cliche, but it is, right? Every day that we have breath in our lungs, we get to decide, what are we going to do? We get to decide if today is going to be different or if it's going to be more of the same. And I want to challenge you. I want to challenge you to find out, seek out the information. Don't just listen to all the chatter on the internet and social media, because sometimes it's not true. Marvin Gaye said it best. He said, believe half of what you see and none of what you hear. And I believe that. I think it's so funny, but it's the truth. Believe half of what you see and none of what you hear, because people will say whatever they need to say to get you off game, to get you to pivot, to do something different that benefits them. And we can spin the word. People do it all the time. They spin the word of God and make it sound like it fits the narrative that they want it to fit, but it's taken totally out of context. Don't let anyone get you off your game. You set the goals for yourself. You said this year, I'm sure somebody said it. This isn't me prophesying this. I'm sure that, because we've all said it, this is going to be the year when I build and excel greatly, and I move differently, and I pivot in a place that's going to impact not only myself, but those that are with me financially, just like it impacted Peter when the Lord told him, launch out, put out into deep water and let down your net for a catch. He said, but Lord, we fished all night. Maybe you've had a night season in the life insurance industry where you fished all night. You haven't caught anything. You haven't made any money yet. What did he say differently this time when the Lord told him to go out? He said, at thine will. And so what did he do? We know the story. He took Jesus out in the boat and he put down his nets for such a great catch that the boat began to sink. So much so that he had to call his business partners over. James and Zebedee, they had to come over. Their boat almost sank. They caught such a great catch. When they got back to the shore, Peter fell at Jesus' feet. And he told him he felt unworthy, but Jesus said, from now on, you're going to be fishers of men, right? And so we are fishers of men in the industry that God has called us to as entrepreneurs. You got to get with a different vehicle so you can go to the next level. No man is an island. A friend of mine said it this way. He said he would rather be let me fix it because I love this quote. He said that a lot of people would rather be the captain of a canoe than the second mate on a battleship. They'd rather be the captain of a canoe or on a canoe than the second mate on a battleship. It's time to get on a battleship and not on a canoe. What you saying, preacher? I'm saying that it's time to do business differently. There's nothing wrong with being a field agent. People thrive in the field. There's success in the field. And a lot of people say, I'm a field guy, I'm a field girl. And you can do that, but you need a higher intent quality lead. Right? You need leads that are going to grow. You need companies that are going to grow, that have new systems, that are not stuck in antiquated ways of doing business and still having antiquated trainings and antiquated conversations. It's time to level up in our mindset and our thinking. And that entails getting around some different people who are doing something differently. And I'm sharing with you that Senior Life Insurance Company is disrupting the insurance industry. So here's how it works. 25 live transfers a week. And oh my gosh, that is such an incredible opportunity that you don't have to go out and look for business. You don't have to call out for business unless you choose to. You don't have to get in your car and put wear and tear on your car and ride around looking for business and hoping that you catch someone at home, staying in a hotel, traveling out of town. Come on. I understand that those ways of doing business worked in the past, but now the insurance industry is changing. After COVID, even during COVID, telemarketing and telesales became such a huge business that the way that business is being done now in the insurance industry is game changing. We're disrupting it. 25 live transfers a week as a new agent. You're going to be able to close at least 40% of those transactions. If you're great at telesales, you may close more, you may close less. But you have the potential to make literally a 6-figure income a year with 25 live transfers. You don't have to go out and look for the business. The business is coming to you. But guess what? You're a business owner. You're a 1099. You can take additional leads. You can work additional business. You can work from anywhere in the country and run this business and work it and build it and grow it. And you can build a team doing the exact same thing. Free live transfers. How much has been your investment, your lead investment every week? I understand how lead investments work because ever since I got started, I've always invested in myself. And just like you, I'm my greatest investment. Right? But now you don't have to do that. You don't have to build a business that way if you don't choose to. This is a game changer. If you say, you know what, I want to build and grow a team, but I'm building and growing a team of people that are new, that are just getting their license. They're just coming into the industry. Maybe they've been out of the industry for a while. Maybe they don't have the budget, right? And because of that, that's what pushes so many people out of the insurance industry. Well, now Senior Life has fixed that problem. They have a free live transfer lead program. I want to talk to you about all the juicy details. And it doesn't matter to me who you work with, who you represent. I'm not going to try to talk you out of your opportunity because maybe you're happy where you are. But I'm talking to those people that say, you know what, I got to do something different this year. I don't want to be running hither, there, to and fro. I don't want to be in my car. I don't want to be staying overnight away from my children. I want to be able to build my business with my children, with me, around me, beside me. And I want to build it where I can be a stay-at-home mom. I can be a stay-at-home dad. I can be there for the ball games. I can be there for the important events because I can run and work this business from my phone, my laptop, my iPad, my desktop, wherever you choose to do that from. And so I want you to give me a call. This is a perfect opportunity for stay-at-home moms, college students, licensed, unlicensed, anyone looking for a career path and additional income. But you got to have the mindset of a winner. You got to be coachable. You got to be able to follow a proven system. We have parameters here. There's training involved, but we require work. Right? So if that's you, if you say, you know what, I'm ready to, this 2025 is going to be my financial year, and you need a blueprint, you need a system, right? You need help. Because one thing that I've seen in this industry, and I hear it all the time from my new business partners that are partnering with us and coming onto our team, is that they can't get help from anybody. They're partnering with these companies, they get promised all these things, and then it doesn't happen. And that what is perfect is maybe it's a good fit for you. Now is a perfect time for you to decide if this is a perfect opportunity for you to do something different with your business, something different with your team, something different in the industry. Right? That's unheard of. It's unheard of to offer free live transfer leads. These are people that are looking for you, right? But you're not having to invest I'm talking too much, so I'm gonna shut up now. I'm just saying, how much have you had to invest in lead dollars? That's what I just asked a second ago. The average lead in the industry for a fresh lead used to be somewhere between $30 and $35. Now it's like $50 to $69, right? Which there's nothing wrong with that. When you walk in Walmart, the shelves are full. You walk in a convenience store, the shelves are full. You walk in Dollar General, the shelves are full. You have to have inventory and people to call. That's literally what a lead is. But now you have the opportunity to start off into a free lead program and still have the potential to make a 6-figure a year income. It doesn't get any better. Give me a call, Garlinda Price, 910-494-7798. I'm honored to talk to you. Again, I'm not trying to talk you out of your opportunity because no one's going to talk me out of mine, right? No one's going to talk me out of mine. I'm just here to present to you that there may be a better way for you and for your business partners and for your team. If you're unlicensed, I'd love for you to interview us. Ask us the tough questions because we're going to ask you the tough questions. And then if we decide we're a good fit, we're not going to gatekeep. We're going to show you how to have success and we're going to help you get there. Okay. So I look forward to talking to you guys. I'm Garlinda Price. Happy New Year. And I'm the agency owner of Fusion Insurance Group, National Sales Director, powered by Senior Life Insurance Company. God bless you guys. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye. 910-494-7798, and I'm hiring across the country. If that's you, give me a call. God bless you. Talk soon.